Hey everyone, my name is Ben and I'm on the Coinnect development team, and I'm super excited today to show you guys our onboarding process and how simple it is to start accepting cryptocurrency transactions for your business. So first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to our domain coinnect.us, and that will take you to our homepage here. You can schedule a demo, learn more. We do have some blog postings and documentation for more in-depth coded examples, but for now, we're just going to go ahead and hit sign in. And if you don't have an account, we're going to go ahead and click sign up here. And you can enter an email, password, or just sign in with Google. And bam, we are here. Welcome to Coinnect, the premier self-custodial solution to put you in control of your digital assets. We're going to go ahead and click get started. So here's a little bit about Coinnect and what it does. It is a self-custodial system, meaning you as the business owner or developer of your SaaS online service, whatever it may be, are in full control of all your assets at all times. Now that is super important because if you've used a credit card processor before or anything of the same sorts, I'm sure you've experienced the pretty hefty fees, having to wait till the end of the month to be paid out. This is a nice, simple plugin that you get to receive the funds as soon as your customer pays, removing all that headache that may be present in your prior system. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. First thing we have to do is create our API key. So we'll go ahead and click generate. And bam, our API key is created there. We can hide it, copy it, and it looks like we can view it at any time in our profile settings. So not too concerned about that right now. We'll go ahead and hit continue. And next, we need to set up our self-custodial wallet. So we're going to create our self-custodial wallet. So it looks like we need a new password. So I'm going to go ahead and use my super secret password. And it looks like we need to confirm it. So let's type it one more time. And here's an important setting. Our PIN or password is the only way to recover our seed phrase, which is about to display to us. So I know this. I'm going to agree. I'm going to be sure I write down my seed phrase because it can never be recovered without my password that I just set. So I'm going to hit continue there, and bam, it looks like we have a seed phrase. I'm going to go ahead and copy that and put it in a secure encrypted file on my local machine. But I'm going to also be sure I write that down and put it in a safe later. So we have to confirm a few words. Now I know it's ski, usage, siblings, pupil, and then we have dentist, bubble, lonely, sun, naive, key, supply, illness. Bam. We're going to go ahead and click finish setup. Just like that, we are now ready to start accepting cryptocurrency transactions. So right now, we don't have any balances being paid out. But if we go ahead and navigate to our dashboard, we can see no sales data yet. Our profile, we can upload a business image for our customers to see. We have the name here, Coinnect Demo. Maybe I want to change that to Ben's Coinnect Demo. We'll go ahead and click save there. Now, if you want to set up credit card payments, you must complete the Stripe setup here. But for now, we're going to go ahead and in our profile, scroll down to the show QR code. Now, this is a pretty nice feature because if you're a business who doesn't really want to deal with adding a bunch of technical things to your system, you're already set up to just give people this QR code right here. So you can go ahead and simply print this paper, post it on your counter where a customer might pay, and they'll simply be able to scan this QR code. And I'll show you exactly what that process looks like. So we'll go through here to pay. And on a transaction, you're going to want to confirm this as a business. Maybe you type this in for them and hand them a device to pay on. We want this to be completely flexible and easy for you to implement and design however would fit best into your system. So for this, we'll just hit test, and maybe we'll just do $4. We're going to continue to the payment, and we can select now a method of cryptocurrency. And I'll fill in some information here. We have to fill in our name. So I'll go Ben Coinnect in my email so I can be sure I get a receipt. We'll agree with the terms and service and privacy policy, continue the payment. I'm going to go ahead and send the network as Polygon because it's so cheap and fast. We'll send some USDC. So it looks like we owe 4 USDC to the business. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, scan in my MetaMask wallet because that is the wallet of my choice. And then we can go ahead, send, and yeah, that's all you have to do to onboard.